The last time that we had this particular class, where we stopped was how you can register um, how you can register what's it called? This hosting company where you can buy your domain name, your hosting, and some other packages that you need to set up your website online. And I step by step I walk you guys through how you can actually buy and pay for a domain. And if you can remember, the domain I purchased back then was abohoir, I think abohoirdata.com.ng. I showed you guys, I sent the link, and I think I have about 32% that registered through that link I sent. Maybe the number must have grown or rising more than that now, but I don't really know. I'll check that later. So now, in the second part, which is the final part of the training, how you can remove the blogspot.ng. I have my domain and hosting registrar. I've already logged in, which is the truehost.com.ng. I'm already logged in into my account, and also my blogger.com.ng, where I have my blogspot hosted. I'm also logging there. So now, once you click on this this toggle icon at the left hand side, you can scroll down, you go to settings. So once you go to setting and the setting panel open, you scroll down, you see the title of your blog here, the description. You continue to scroll down till you get to this section of publishing. Then just below it, you see your blog address, which is the one I'm currently using for this training, is ododosupport.blogspot.ng. So now, and we want to remove this blogspot. Maybe you want to leave it at either .com.ng or .com. So what you need to do is for you to click on this custom domain. This one, the custom domain. Once you click it, a modal is going to pop out. Then you will see an input box at the top where you are going to input that domain that you want to use to replace the other one .blogspot.com. Are you getting it now? So now I'll go back to my what's it called? My client area of truehost.com.ng. So now I will now navigate to the domain section of my client area. You can tap these three dots at this top here. You can tap the three dots. Look at it. You can just tap the three dots. This is it, three dots or three lines. This toggle icon. It's called toggle icon. You can just tap it. Once you tap it, you go to this section of domain. Are you getting it? So once you click on this so once you click on this, you are going to see some list of link. You see services, you see domain. The one we are interested in is the domain. You click on this arrow, this small arrow drop down. You are going to see my domains with the number of domains that you have. Currently have 6 domains here. Then you see domain renewal, register a new domain, transfer domain to us. So the one we are interested in is manage DNS. So even if you are not using truehost.com.ng, maybe you are using, we have several hosting company. We have Hugo Host, Go24, which is the same as Hugo Host. Then we have Bluehost. We have, so it all depends on the one that you register with. Anyone you registered with, what you are going to look out for is the manage DNS. So you just click on manage DNS. So there are some that you have to open the domain before you can now navigate to manage DNS. Are you getting it now? It all depends. So if you don't see it directly, just click on the domain, then you go to manage DNS. So if you see this one now, if you remember, this is the domain I registered, which is abohoir.com.ng. So I want to copy, first of all, I want to copy the domain. I want to copy the domain. I want to copy the domain first. After I must have copied the domain, then I'll come back to my blog. I'll come back to my blog. Then I'll click on the custom domain. Then I want to paste that domain I copied. I want to paste it here. You see the way I paste it? Then I'll just click on save. Then if you click on save, you're going to get an error like this, that URL starts with an invalid scheme. Are you getting it? So what you are expected to do is you take out this HTTPS. You take out the HTTPS, then you put your www.abohoy. Are you getting it? If you leave that HTTPS to it, you're going to have an error. You're going to get an error. But you take out the HTTPS, replace it with www, and after that you just click on save. Okay, now if you click on save and you get this information, that means you're good to go. You've actually scaled through the first part of of uh of the process. So now I'll switch, then I'll go back to my DNS, my managed DNS manager again. So I'll go back to my managed DNS again. Then I'll click on this icon, this pen icon. Since I'm already having the DNS listed here, had it been the DNS is not listed, maybe this, is this Abuho that I want to use. Let's take for example now the link, the URL is not listed among the DNS here. I'll click on this plus sign. Are you getting it? Then from here, I'll now select the, what's it called? The Abuhoid. It's not even listed here. Just select others. Are you getting it? So as you can see, it's here. But because it's already listed, there is no need for me to add it. So what I'll just do is to click on this pen. I'll click on the pen. So once I click on the pen, it's going to show, it's supposed to show me what's it called? It's supposed to take me to that panel, to that pane, to that module where I will be able to edit the DNS. But I don't know what is wrong with this truehost.com. It's just showing error. I've been trying this since yesterday, and I'm just getting this particular error while loading requested page. Are you getting? That means their server is having issue. So for the sake of this training, I'm going to switch to another server that I'm using, so that we'll use it for the practical. Toujours na meke. So now I have switched to another server that I'm managing, which is Go54, or you can still call it as you can still refer to it as Hugo Host. So now, if you observe, when I touch this domain, just like what we did at the other side, directly here the managed DNS was listed, but in this one now the managed DNS is not listed. So what I will need to do is, first I'll go to my domains, which I'll click on this my domain. I'll first of all go to my domain. Then from there, once the domain is being listed, I'll now click on the one. I'm having like 5 domains here. For security reasons, I'm going to cover some of them. So now the one I want to manage is this Mr. Usman data. So I'll just click on it first. I'll click on it. After you click on it, then the manage DNS section, the domain name has appeared where you can manage that particular domain name. The page where you can manage the domain name has appeared. So I'll click on this drop down here. So I'll select DNS management. As you can see, different websites with their different ways of accessing their DNS. The other one that we did earlier is quite easy because it's accessible even directly from the drop down. But this one now, there is need for you to navigate to the domain first. Then from there, you don't navigate to DNS management. So if you observe, this is my DNS management. Are you getting this? Is my DNS management. So now I'll go, once you are on this page, I'll navigate back to my blogspot. Hey, oh, this is my. I'll have to navigate back to my blogspot, because once I'm there, I can click on the custom domain again. Since let me just, my phone is, I don't know whether it's a memory issue. So I'll click on save. Once you click on save, it's showing error because there is no dot here. So I'll click on save. Then it's going to show this. Then now you observe, we have not been able to verify your authority to this domain, because they want to verify that you are the actual owner of this domain. So there are some settings you need to do. Then they said on your domain registrar website, locate your domain name, then system DNS settings, your domain name system, then DNS settings, and enter the following 2C names. Are you getting it? They say enter the following 2C names. Then they say name is www. Then destination is ghs.google.com. They said the name is www. Are you getting it? Take note. Name is www. Destination is ghs.google.ng. So I'll just go back. I'll go back. Okay, now look at, if you observe here, you see name. You see this name. You see this is name. This is type. And as you, sorry. This is name. This is type. Oh, and this is TTL. And I have ROT data here. Are you getting it? And they say name should be www. And the destination, I've already copied the destination. Name is www. Destination should be ghs.google.ng. So I'll go back there. Look at the name. Look at the one I'm looking for. It's already there. Under the name, I have www. It's already there. So what I will need to do is just for me to edit, because I have the one for www already inputted. So I'll just scroll down to this side. Look at it. I'll touch the edit icon. This is the C name. I'll now paste the H. I don't know if you guys are following. I'll now paste the ghs.google.com. So once I've done this, I'll click on update. I'm not updating this one because the what is it called? The domain name I wanted to use for the live practical, it has their website has issue. This one is a client owned, so I can't just edit it. So after that, if you have pasted it here, just click on update and the thing will automatically update. Then the second one, and we've done this. The second one and name, they've specified here that name is 6JY, destination is this long one. So now I'll copy the name for this one, then I also copy this destination. Are you getting it? So I'll copy the destination. I've copied the two. I copy name and destination. The first one, the name was already there, so there is no need for me to create any one. But this particular one, if you check this side, the name is not here. Earlier on we are having the www here, but this particular one that we want to do now, the name is not here. So I'll click on add record. After that, I'll just select. Remember, it says C name. I'll change it from this A to C name. If you observe, let's look at it again. It said go to your DNS settings and enter the following 2C names. Are you getting it? So the first one is C name. Then I'll change this one from A to C name. Then the name which I copied earlier, the name, this is the name. This is the name I copied. I'll leave this TTL where it is. Then the C name is this longer one. Are you getting it? After I'm done, I'll just click on confirm, and the thing automatically, it will be there. So I'm done with the 2C name. Then now the other one. So now we are left with just one more thing. Are you getting it? So I'll have to click on this support page link. I'll click on it because there is need for me to redirect the IP address. So after I click on that link, I'll scroll down to this side where it's directing me that go to your domain provider website, open your DNS setting, add this 4A record that points to Google API. So I'm going to add these 4A records. I'll just come to this first one. I'll I'll copy it. And you know the only difference here is 216.216 for all, 239.239 for all, 32. The last one too, 21 is for all, but this is where the difference is. You have 32, 34, 36, and 38. They're adding 22 to that one. So I'll just come to this side. I'll close this. So now, if you observe, we have only one A here, which is a link to a default API. IP, sorry. So since I need to add 4 A's, but I'm having 1 A here. I'll just edit this 1 A first. Take out the IP address. Take out the IP address, and I'll put this one. I'll click on update. So that means I've updated the first A. Since I'm only having one, so there is need for me to add more three A. I'll come to add, leave it at A. The name will be at. That's going to be the name. The name will be at. Then I'll post the IP address here. Change this 32 to 34. Are you getting it? So I'll click on confirm. When you click on that confirm, it will now become 2. So that's how you're going to continue do it till you get to the fourth part. So after you must have added this 4 API, that means you're adding 6 things. You add the www for the name, the 2C name plus the 4 API. Once you are done, you come back to this side and you click on save. But this one is telling me could not update, could not update, what's it called? Could not update settings. Is because I've not inputted all those things. Had it been I'm using my Abohoid, their server is not having issue, and I'm using my Abohoid, and you follow this step, once you click on this save, it will save. Everything will save. Because the thing is going to synchronize with this and your server. Everything will save. But the reason why this one is not saving is because I've not inputted all this step. So in your own case, since you've already purchased a domain name and you want to take out the blogspot, try it directly and it's going to save. You see that it has saved. Then give it like 24 hours. After 24 hours, the thing should propagate and your domain will be redirected from this normal blogspot to the right domain name. So thank you guys.